fucking app is not working. The fuck? My DashCam isn't fucking working again. I don't know why. It's acting up for some strange reason. Yeah, this is gonna be bad.
Inventors received more than 10,000 patents through their patent referral services. Don't wait to get started with your idea. For free information,
contact your friends at InventHelp.
Go to inventhelp.com or call 1-800-INVENTION. That's inventhelp.com or call 1-800-INVENTION. They help everyday inventors just like you. Additional services include invention websites, prototype models, technical drawings, and more. They keep your idea confidential and explain every step of their invention services. Remember, that's inventhelp.com. Inventhelp.com.
Tonight, the final G update to Beta the Airs on News Nation.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on. No idea.
News Nation's Elizabeth Vargas by Washington Pre-Beacon to Leon Johnson. Live from the University of Alabama as the candidates make their case to America on the only network for all America, the News Nation Republican primary debate. Live tonight, 8 Eastern. To find News Nation on your TV, go to joinnn.com.
NHL star Matt Martin for American Humane. I've had my fair share of bruises and injuries. But for many who put their lives on the line every day, it's not always the injuries you can see that hurt the most. Every single day, 184 veterans are diagnosed with post-traumatic stress. When medications and therapy don't help, professionally trained service dogs can. American Humane has created a free guide to help veterans obtain these life-saving animals. For help, please go to AmericanHumane.org.
Powered Talk 1460 and FM 101.1.
Right, we continue now. We have students at some of the top universities in the country, and what Jewish students are now having to live through in light of especially what we learned yesterday, and that is the Harvard president, MIT, and UPenn president all refusing to say whether calling for genocide of Jews is bullying and harassment according to their codes of conduct. Wow. Can't even believe we're discussing this, but we continue with Ezra Troy, Talia Khan, and Lior Alan is with us. Let me ask you an exit question, all three of you. And Lior Alan, I'll start with you. On a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the most fear, when you're on your college campus, how fearful are you?
Okay, so 10, and I have kids going here to the daycare. If as the president of MIT said, things are not harassment until it gets to actually doing something.
No, you need to stop if there's a war of words going on in a bar. I used to be a bartender. Usually it's better to stop it because as it escalates, and we've seen that happen at Cooper Union and other places. So your fear level is a 10. Talia, what's your fear level?
My fear level is also incredibly high, and as the president of the Israel organization on MIT's campus, we did a poll of almost 100 of our members, and 95% said that the MIT administration has not done enough to make us feel safer, to make everybody feel safer on campus. 95%. That should be saying something.
Ezra, what is your level of fear?
Agreed. Very, very high level of fear. On Sunday night, there was a riot here. I didn't want to leave my house. It wasn't just me. Many other Jewish students didn't want to leave their houses. And I think that in the wake of President Miguel's comments yesterday, where again she refused to condemn people calling for genocide against Jews, us Jews here don't feel safe anymore. It's very, very scary times.
Really scary times, guys. You deserve better. You deserve to go to school in a safe environment. People deserve to work in a safe environment. You know, all HR, you know, the thousands of pages corporations have and these institutions of higher learning have can be really summed up with one page. Love God with all your heart, mind, and soul, and your neighbor as yourself, and treat others the way you want to be treated. And if everybody would follow that, I think it would be a much better world. I'm sorry you are all living through this. Thank you for sharing your stories, and you're in my prayers. I wish you all the best, as Israel, too, is in our prayers as they now fight for their very survival. You know, there's moments when it's simple moral clarity and there's no moral ambiguity. This is one of those cases. All right, 800-941-SEAN, our number, if you want to be a part of the program. Oh, Christmas is approaching. If you're looking for a really special gift, I totally encourage you to check out the great firearms made right here in America by our friends at Henry Graffiti Arms. Now, just go to their website. You start there, henryusa.com, or get their free holiday gift guide. They'll mail you free decals, a list of dealers where you live, and look, you can get craftsmanship you'll never see again. Henry old school craftsmanship, everything made in America. I love every Henry that I own. They have over 200 models of rifles and shotguns and models you can choose from. They have something for everyone, including outdoorsmen and hunters and beginners and collectors like me, and those looking for home or maybe business defense options. One of the things I like the most is these become family heirlooms. You can pass them down to future generations. Anyway, just go to henryusa.com, henryusa.com, and there's a lifetime warranty. Get their free gift guide, get their decals, and get a list of dealers where you are, and you're going to love this company, henryusa.com.
Hey, Dr. Bertrand.
I didn't see it coming. Life can be so predictable. After losing my dad, it made me think about my family if something were to happen to me. The mortgage, car payments, all the other bills. Even things like our annual summer vacation would be out of reach. I had heard about life insurance through Ethos and how easy it was to get coverage. They were right. I knew it was time to stop putting it off and get life insurance right now. I got on my computer and went to ethoslife.com. In just 10 minutes, I was covered. And boom, family protected. Thanks to Ethos, my family won't have to worry about the bills if the unpredictable happens to me.
Ethos, fast and easy online term life insurance. Up to $2 million in coverage with no medical exam. Some policies as low as $1 a day. Answer a few health questions and get your free quote at getethos.com. That's GETETHOS.com.
The Fed has just declared war on America. They want us to be a cashless society using a digital dollar. That means no greenbacks or swap meets or garage sales, no tooth fairs or piggy banks, no rainy day savings, no extra quarters for the meter, no more selling extra items for cash, no buying anything with privacy. A digital dollar means your life may be dependent on the internet, electricity, and people you don't know, like or trust. Every penny you spend, every penny you earn, could all be tracked. So what can you do? For many Americans, they're turning back to the only money that survives civilization, gold and silver. You can do the same with a simple phone call to the #1 rated precious metals company, Gold Company. Call 855-GOLD-IRA and learn how Americans are diversifying their money today. Plus, you could get up to $10,000 in free silver while supplies last. Don't
There
miss
is,
this
but
rare
it's
opportunity.
hard
Call
blocking.
Gold Code today,
Blocking
855-GOLD-IRA.
space.
That's 855-GOLD-IRA. Paid for by Gold.
When you use Bounce dryer sheets and your clothes look amazing, it's the sheets. Less static in your life? Yeah, it's the sheets. Smelling fresher than ever.